Hey guys, I was cleaning out where I was storing my snappers and figured I'd do a lineup of them. So here are my minions. First two are a 1974 cast aluminum deck. I do have the bag and the engine for that one, and we'll probably be restoring this one this summer. I already went through the engine and repainted it, but the deck could use some love. And you guys have seen this one, 1988 snapper, that I've recently redone, and alongside of it is also another 1988, so there's a good before and after of what it can be. But that one's a good candidate for restoration, but I believe the crank is bent on that one. I'll have to re-examine the engine, and we'll have to see if eBay has something to help us out. But speaking of eBay, I recently purchased something snapper lovers will really be jealous of, hopefully. So that'll be coming in a video in the future here shortly. And lastly is a 1986 snapper, and from what I've done to it, it's just been very stubborn in running and staying running and idling and doing everything an engine should do. So that's why it's been sitting for so long. But here's the tag on it. If I'm wrong on the 1986, let me know. But I still haven't really rehearsed my model numbers yet for snapper, which is kind of odd, you think, because I have, what, 5 of them. But anyway, there's my minions, guys. Hopefully we can get 3 of them restored. I'm not sure about the 86, but we'll see what parts it might need, or what, it all ends up what money I have to put into them for fun, of course, without, bills and everything else getting in the way. But be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more snapper things, and thanks for watching, guys.